So one of the types of fields that you can go ahead and add in inside of Jotform is Image Choices Widget. So your audience or your users will be able to directly choose an image as an answer. So to do that, you can go to Add Element and then you can go under Widget right here. Then as you scroll down, you'll be able to see the image choices as an option. Go ahead and click, and then you simply have the image choices widget right here. For example, over here in the configuration, you can see that I have first question right here. So I can go ahead and say, let's say, for example, choose a particular image. So I'm just going to go around over here and let's say use these images that I have right here. I got the URL of these images as well. So I'm just going to go around and say, let's say, for example, would you like to work individually or in a group? Let's say, for example, right here. So let's say this is the first question. So answer one is, let's say, for example, this one. As you can see right here, this image is here. So let me just go ahead and copy out the URL of this particular image and paste it out right here, and you can see that this is how the image is replaced. So I'm just going to go around over here and select the other answer now over here. So this is answer 2 right here, just like this. So instead of answer 1 and 2, I can simply go ahead and say single right here, just like this, and I can go ahead and say group as well. So you just need to go ahead and make sure that you follow out this pattern right here. So you can see that there's second question and third question right here. Let me just go ahead and remove it right here. You want to add in more questions, simply go ahead and copy and paste out the same format right here, just like this, and simply go ahead and ask, like, let's say, for example, add in other details. For example, now I want to have, let's say, for example, what would you prefer? Let's say, for example, right here. So let's just go ahead right here. I'm just going to go ahead and say, what would you prefer right here? And I'm going to go ahead and say question mark. And over here, I'm going to say, let's say, for example, Instagram. Let's say, for example, casual net surfing. Let's say, for example, and for this one, I'm going to go ahead and use this particular image right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around over here and say educational material. Let's say, for example, for this one, I'm going to use this particular, let's say, for example, image. And then I'm going to add in a third option over here. So I'm just going to go around and say socialize right here, just like this. Add in a colon, press enter. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this picture again right here, just like this. So you can see that I have these options right here, and you can see that the selected option title is selected option. So I'm just going to go ahead and say your choices right here, just like this. You can add in a custom CSS if you want to as well, but let me just go ahead and update. And as with any other field properties, you can go around onto properties. You can align out it to center or right or left as you want. You can enable or disable the label right here. Let me just disable it. And if you were to enable the label as well, you can go ahead and align out the label as you wish. You can change around the width and height of the field as well. But let me just go ahead and turn off the label, and then you can make it compulsory, make it required, or make it optional. On the under the advanced, you can add in the widget name. So let's say I'm just going to say choices as the field name. You can shrink it out so that it only appears in this particular field. You can duplicate this out and keep two of these together. And if you don't want them together, even if it is just taking half the space, you can move it to the new line as well. But let me just go ahead and remove, and then go to the properties, and then go to advanced right here and remove the shrink. So apart from that, you can hide the field temporarily if you don't want viewers to see it currently, and you can go to the field details and add in details as you wish as well. So let's just go around over here onto preview form right here, just like this. And as you do that, you can see the first question. So let's just select group, and then you can see that now it says what would you prefer. There's like 3 options right here. you can see that two of them is not loading properly because of the URL right here. But anyways, if you were to select, you can see the first and second option right here. You can go ahead and select another option as well, and that is what you would see. So that is basically it. You can go ahead and then add in, let's say for example, your options right here as you want, and then work around with it. So let's just go ahead and turn it off. Let's see what's wrong with this. So you can see that I got all of these right here. I got single and group that's working right here. So let's just go ahead and remove this out right here. So what would you prefer? You can see that the link itself is not actually loading correctly right here. So for the casual surfing right here, I'm just going to go ahead and then select all of it right here. So there's like a link problem over here, as you can see. So let's just go ahead and paste it, and then it will load up. So you can see that all of it is here now. So let's just go ahead and do that. So now you can see that both of them are loading. And for the last one as well, the socialize option, get all of the URL right here and paste it up right here, just like this. So this is what you have right here, and then that will load out. And you can see now it properly actually loads up. So seems like there was an error while I copied out the URL. So you need to keep that in mind. So first of all, you need to add in the question. Then you got the option right here followed by a colon, as you can see right here. I can go ahead and copy this, and I can simply paste this out again, and then I'll have more option accordingly. So this is what I have, as you can see. So if I were to go around and preview the form, you can see it says what you prefer. I can select two options now right here because I copied and pasted out the same question, and you can see your choices right here, just like this. And that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the image choices widget to give the users an option to choose out image answer inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.